Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Well guys, we are here to give you an update regarding the IELTS exam cancellation. We will tell you the name of the cities where exams has been cancelled for the month of April and some further information regarding the lockdowns and the both British Council and IDP updates regarding the IELTS exam. So guys, if we talk about the British Council, for the pen and paper based IELTS exam, I'm showing you on the screen. This is an official website screenshot shared by the British Council. The cities where the IELTS tests are being conducted. That means ki in these cities, that is Kochi, Angamali, Kollam, Kottayam, Trivendrapuram, Rajkot, Anand, Gurdaspur, Faridkot, Dehradun, Ambala. These are the cities where exam is happening. So British Council is doing exams over here. And cities below underneath, which is cities where the IELTS tests are cancelled, means there are no IELTS exam for the below mentioned cities for 24th April 2021. That includes Delhi, Calicut, Kannur. If we talk about Punjab, Lucknow, we have Khanna, Moga, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Patiala, Chandigarh, Sangrur, Ludhiana. Other places, Goa, Surat, you can see the city's name, Mumbai, Pune. No IELTS exam is happening on 24th April 2021 on these cities. So IELTS exam for these cities has been cancelled. This is the official by the British Council. If we talk about the computer driven IELTS exam, then you can see the cities like Amritsar, New Delhi, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. These are the cancellation dates. So no exams, either is 25th April, 20 to 25th April, 20th to 30th April. All are being cancelled for the computer driven as well. This is because the lockdown was conducted in Mumbai first, then in Pune, Indore. Now even Delhi is completely shut down, and even the Punjab government has a lockdown imposed on Sundays, and also the restaurants, cinema halls, all these gathering places, sitting at the restaurants and hotels has been stopped by the Punjab government. So this will affect your IELTS exam on weekends. So it can affect on Saturday as well, but right now in Punjab it's only on Sundays. But these are the cities where exams are not going to happen for the Punjab and for the other cities by British Council. If we talk about the IELTS for life skills pen paper based exam, then guys, for the 22nd April exam, Delhi and Ahmedabad both are cancelled. And for the UKVI IELTS exam for 24th April, then yes, it is cancelled for Delhi, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Kochi, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Mumbai. All these cities 24th April exams by British Councils has been cancelled. If we talk about the update by the IDP, then IDP is, only says that Jaipur candidates, so your pen paper based IELTS exam, either it was which is gone on 17th or it was on 18th April, it has been cancelled. So right now IDP has only updated for the Jaipur, but BC British Council has updated for so many cities and states, as I'm just telling you. So guys, be very careful for your cancellations. Second, the question I think students asked me last time, that if your exam is cancelled, then guys, there are more chances that you will get a link. By clicking on the link in your email, you have to choose your own IELTS exam next date. So if this exam is cancelled, they will probably give you an email and you have to select your own IELTS exam date, the next options they will give you. So this is the update. Stay tuned with us. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge, so that if we get any update regarding any more cities they include or exclude from the list, we'll give you update on this. And thanks for watching this video, and good luck for your exams if they are happening.